Let's do this one here. Double click, your wedding photo goes in, and you're basically done. I mean, you could really be done right about here with the wedding photo. Now, because this is Photoshop, don't forget, if you want to adjust your images, you can do it right now. You can also do it in Lightroom and then bring them in. There's ways to do that. You can export them, from Lightroom, etc. But one thing to do is you could just add adjustments to this. So again, a little more advanced, you don't have to, but you can edit your photos right here. See how I'm just making an adjustment. Okay, so all of this is possible the more you know about Photoshop. That's a little strong, so we're gonna bring that down just a bit. But you get the idea. This is all fully customizable. Same thing with the background. Here's a background color picker built in. Double click, click on his jacket, right? Click on her skin tone. Beautiful. Say okay. All right, well, maybe the text here doesn't work. So let's just go to the text. We highlight all these layers. Click one layer, hold down Shift. Go to your type tool. There's a color box at the top. Click that and just make it white, let's say. Done. Beautiful. Let's talk about variations. Your clients may love this, but they may not. Well, what can we do for them? Let's give them variations. Go to Photobacks Control, click Duplicate. Now you've got another copy. Here's the original, here's a copy. Let's change the background color. How about that blue color from his tie? How about from the jacket? A little dark, but okay, right? Remember, things print a little darker. If you're doing this for print than you see on the screen. Even if your screen's really calibrated, I just would be aware. Okay, you can tile on the screen with Photobacks Control. Now you've got two options for your client. You think you have a better chance of making them happy or selling them a product? You have a couple of options. By the way, how long did that take me? Give me a 1 if it took me 3 seconds.